My name is Tiharini. Today I will tell you a poem. The topic is Bender the Blender. This is an imaginary poem. This poem has 3 stanzas. Let us see what happened when non-living things get life when we go out. There one was a blender, his name was Bender. There one was a blender, his name was Bender. When no one was home, he would come alive and roam. He would come alive and roam. All his friends could be the spoon, the knife, the fork and the spoon. They would gather around and run all over the ground. They would gather around and run all over the ground. Soon everyone is gloom, hearing the car, room, room. Hearing the car, room, room. They have to draw the lines, they have to draw the lines and wait until next time, and wait until next